Welcome to SQL tutorial, and today we'll talk about SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. First, let's see difference between SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server is Microsoft database management system, which stores and retrieves data by other applications. And SQL Server Management Studio is management tool that provides a graphic interface to work with SQL servers. So if you want to store data, you only need SQL Server. But if you want to manage data, you also need SQL Server Management Studio. To start SQL Server Management Studio, first go to Start menu, then type SQL and click SQL Server Management Studio. After we run SQL Server Management Studio, this screen will appear. And now let's see meaning of these fields. First, server type. Here we can select one of these available server options, and we will use database engine for creating and working with database. Next, server name. This is server name where SQL Server is installed and need to establish connection with server. And we usually use server name as machine name or instance. Authentication, default option is Windows authentication, and in that case username and password are not required. But if we select another option, for example SQL Server authentication, in that case these two fields will be required. Okay, I'm gonna select Windows authentication and click connect button. Now we successfully connected to Data Management Studio. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create first database and table in Data Management Studio. This is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you next time.